Now, in this video, what I'd like to do is talk to you about multi-channel media buys and display advertising. And I do have a little bit of a warning for you, or a major warning for you. You'll need a very large budget to start. These are not the networks that you're going to want to go to if you're just getting started with paid advertising. Okay, these are definitely not the networks. You're going to need a fairly large budget. Now, that being said, if you can afford it, these networks can be a major source of mega traffic for you. I mean, you can drive a lot of traffic with these websites. But like I said, you are going to need a pretty major budget. And you're not going to want to go in here green. You're going to want to have some experience, definitely. Or else you're going to get eaten alive. All right, now, these advertising networks, generally you're going to be working with an ad manager or an ad rep. They're generally not going to be self-serve platforms. A couple of them might be here and there, have self-serve options, but mainly you're going to be dealing with an account representative. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this first site. And Undertone has some really neat creatives basically that they do. They don't just do regular old banner and text ads. So if you're looking for some out-of-the-box advertising, you might want to take a look at Undertone. And they can, do a lot to help you build your brand. But like I said, they are a bigger company, and you are going to need to have a budget with them. Now, this next one that I want to show you is Ad Marketplace. You can get it at admarketplace.com. And right here, you can see you can just click on the advertisers link. They're going to show you some of the benefits of going with them. Show you that not all search is happening inside of the search engine. So mainly they deal with, different website networks your ads will run on, but they're a full media company and they can help you get your ads out everywhere, not only on desktops but mobile and in apps as well. Now, this next one is Value Click Media. They're another company. They're not just desktops, they're all over, and they can do a lot to help you reach the audience that you're looking for. So if you're already having some success with your advertising and you know your demographics, going to a place like Value Click Media will help you to really ramp up your advertising once you've exhausted the advertising in some of these self-serve places. So just check them out at Value Click Media. The next one we'll take a look at is Tribal Fusion. Tribal Fusion I haven't heard too much about, but we did some research on it, and it turns out a lot of big companies use them. They can drive a lot of different traffic for you. So they would be a company that's worth checking out. It's at tribalfusion.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. This last video, this was mainly for the people that are really, already successfully advertising and want to ramp things up. So I hope you enjoyed the video.